In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact information from monday.com to an Excel file. First, you're going to log into your monday.com account and navigate to the board where your contact information is stored. This could be a board titled Client List, CRM Contacts, or perhaps Leads, whatever you have set up. Before proceeding, ensure that your board displays the columns with the details you want, such as name, email, phone, or company. Hiding any private or irrelevant columns at this stage could simplify what gets exported, ensuring only the most critical data appears in your Excel file. Next, you will use the Export to Excel option available within the platform. To do this, head to the top right corner of your board and click on the three-dot menu. This is your gateway to numerous board settings, including the export option. From the drop-down, select Export Board to Excel. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices. The first option, Export Table, will export all the visible columns and rows. Perfect if you're only interested in the current view. Alternatively, Export Table with Updates provides a comprehensive capture. This will include all the data along with any conversation updates. A great choice if tracking discussions is vital for your documentation. Monday.com conveniently generates a .xlsx file automatically after you make your selection. Once the file download is complete, open it using either Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, depending on your preference or availability. As you view the data, you'll notice each column aligns with the fields back on your Monday.com board. Here's where you'll take a moment to review everything. Ensure that the information lines up with your expectations, and then proceed to save or reformat your document to suit your specific reporting or data sharing needs. Remember, columns titled People, Status, or Dropdown will be exported as text values. So for example, a People column might simply appear as a name, like John Doe, and Status could reflect words such as in progress. Knowing this helps interpret your data easily and make any necessary transformations in Excel or Google Sheets, so it's suitable for further use or analysis. Stick with these steps, and you'll efficiently export all your necessary contact information from monday.com. Feel free to check back for more tutorials that can further simplify your digital workspace experience. Happy exporting!